Sometimes I'm waiting with 2 home runs. Time up.
He's done this season with 7 pitches.
Third base side. Yordan with a sac fly to score the run.
Game, he's going to face a left-handed pitcher.
Did you know how he attacked you the first time? Placed on the IL. There goes Pena. Now Yordan already with a 2.